Yo, what's up, guys? So for your Elgato, if it's not working, if it's just saying no signal on the screen and you have everything plugged up correctly, then what you're gonna do when it says no signal, you're just gonna unplug this one and everything, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in. Don't close out of this window. Just let it say no signal. And then if it doesn't work, then what you gotta do is you gotta unplug this, replug it back in, unplug it, replug it, unplug it, replug it. Like, this is the worst product. Like, someone's gotta make another capture card. But it sucks because Elgato has the best capture cards. It's just like, and bro, I mean, you guys seen on my last video, like, years ago, it took me, like, 6 months to figure out this and get streaming and get gaming and everything. It's just like, I hope after all these years that Elgato's tech support is better. Because if this is still happening to all these people, they gotta do something different. Well, this is an old one, I will say, but I don't know. It almost makes me think, regardless of if someone has a new one, it probably still has the same problem. So, getting back to it, if it says no signal, don't close out the window. Just wait and then just unplug it and replug it until it goes through. Because you did everything right. Everything's plugged up and it's not working. You did the correct settings on the PlayStation, the Xbox, and you did all this stuff over here. So you're just frustrated. You're like, what's going on? It's this product right here. I'm sorry for hating, but there's so much anger and rage that I've dealt with this thing. Like, and it takes, every time I do this, like, it fluctuates between working perfectly and like taking 10 tries or more for it to load up like this. So I hope you guys figure this out. And like, I'm laughing because it's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. You should just be able to, you have it plugged up, you have everything ready, you have everything perfect, it should work. But this thing only works when it wants to, because it does that infamous light thing, man. It's just, God, bro, it's insane, man. But if this helped you guys, hit the sub button, man. I barely post on this channel, but I hope I helped you guys, man. So, yeah.